this ebb and flow for the rest of our lives, or do you see any change in that pattern?
I think that
a civil authority has issued a required monthly test for all New Jersey. Effective until 2:50 a.m. the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
now in a place where more people understand redlining,